some defending, the sort of defending he's seen here, especially from the Division 1 side.
Here is Kwame Poku, Samba O'Neal, Emmanuel Entry. Good ball to find Aqua. Stop by Bentum, Bless Ege. Ensu has played with some wonderful composure alongside Ablo. Samba O'Neal is trying to pick out Saka Dauda. It's a throw in for Kotoko.
We spoke about that in team entry substitution not being like for like, but you see the quality entry has brought to this Kotoko side. At least he's holding on to the ball, he's just spraying the passes and just finding men in open spaces.
I've not seen so much of the young boy Joshua Tijani. He came into this game with a lot of hype around him. Senior high school graduate.
Yeah.
He was brought in from the Osechi Senior High School. He did some magic when they played in the inter-schools competition in the Ashanti region.
You talk about budding talent. And Joshua Husseini, 4 goals in 5 games. And I believe that's why Fifi Parker Hansen has deployed him in such
a position, huh?
A huge game.
Saka Dauda, good control. He's got Yabua to beat. He skips past Yabua, but he's still tracking him. Saka Dauda goes down. Referee's right there, no foul. Now Adamu will sprint away from defense. And the centre back goes down from the challenge of Samba O'Neal.
Then that was the centre back just relieving. Golden
that
kick.
Was Henry Ensu, that clumsy challenge.
Unfortunately, he gets the mercy of the referee, but then that run from a centre back, quite unusual, especially looking at the position he plays. But sometimes you need that, at least, to just relieve you of some pressure. And I'm not surprised a yellow card has been flashed.
So Henry Ensu, Samba O'Neal, Joseph Ablo, all of the Kotoko backline, with the exception of the wing backs, are all on the yellow.
Exactly. Not good news for Karim Zito, but it doesn't look he's eager to substitute any of them, looking at what they also bring to the table.
Justice Day remains the only option on the bench to occupy those spaces. Mate Ahmed has given away possession. Entry trying to pick out Albert Amwa. I'm thinking the pass went too early, and Gripman will mop up for a golden kick.
His calmness though does it so easily without the fuss at all.
Da Costa Owusu is coming to the foul.